Panel has the ability to import people and Chrome device assets from your organization's Google for Work or Google Education systems. To import this information, you must authorize Panel to perform the GSuite sync. Simply click on the GSuite Sync tab in the panel and then follow the prompts to authorize Panel to perform the GSuite sync. You will be prompted to authorize Panel to have read-only access to several aspects of your Google system. It is important to note that this is read-only permission and is limited in scope. Panel has no ability to change any of your Google information and does not have access to any passwords or other sensitive user information such as Google Drive content or Google email content. Your organization's user content and email are completely confidential, and Panel has no access to read any of that. The account that you use to authorize Panel should have the necessary permissions to grant. Generally, the authorizing user will be a Google for Work or Google for Education administrator. Once authorized, Panel will poll Google on your organization's behalf every hour and import any changes to Google users and Chromebooks into Panel. In 1 hour or less, we will be able to see Hilbei's people and Chrome OS device assets in the Panel system. You can tell that GSuite configuration is working properly when you see your Google for Work or Education logo being displayed in the top right corner. This is our visual confirmation that proper authorization has been granted.